Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to get the ABS sensor from a 97 Ford Mustang. I want to show you how to replace it. So I did the wheel bearings on this vehicle, and when you take these sensors out, sometimes they can get stuck on there. So this one broke when I took it out. So I'm going to show you how to get it. This actually goes through here and underneath of the car in there. And the way you got to get it is you come to the back, you take the back seat out, you push these tabs here, and this unlatches the back seat. So let's move the seat out of the way. And you can actually see from right here where I took that, the sensor goes in through there, and the connector is right here. So let's pop that connector off like that. Push this down all the way, and we'll go and pull it from the outside. So there's a couple of spots that the sensor is attached to, a few brackets there. Let me get some to remove that. Okay, so one of the brackets is right here. The other bracket is going to be, this is in the back of the car. It's going to be right there. So you take both off, and you can slide this thing out. Then the bracket out of the way there, and probably slide it out through here from the bottom through the bigger hole. It's a little bit harder to do it with only one hand, but I just wanted to show you guys in case you ever need. So there you go, guys. That's a very quick video. I hope you enjoy it. Leave a thumbs up if you like this content, and consider subscribing to the channel. Have a good one.